Mr. Chairman, sir, I find myself in a little difficult position having been called to speak after the long, instructive, and informative speech, or shall I say, discourse by the Prime Minister. In the other house, the Prime Minister himself had said that it was not possible to do justice to the plan in the course of one or two speeches. If that is so, in his case, with all his ability, with his vast experience, and with his intimate knowledge of planning and also of the document before us, it is simply impossible for us to deal with even some of the salient features of the plan within the short time that you may be pleased to allow. I have therefore decided to deal with only two important matters, namely implementation and resources. But having to speak after the Prime Minister, I have to refer to some of the points he has made. I may state at the very outset that I do recognize that a great deal of thought has been bestowed on the preparation of the draft plan, and a lot of time and trouble have been taken over its preparation, and I also admire the patience and optimism of its authors, and I can even understand its tone or note of optimism that runs throughout the document. Yet I cannot see my way to congratulate them for the document before us, for after 10 years of functioning of a full-fledged planning commission in the country, after the working experience of two plans, I expected a different kind of document, a more realistic and business-like stock taking of our efforts in the past. The picture, as the Prime Minister said, of the India to come clear. The lines are not at all distinct, and even some of the lines made clear in the previous plan have been blurred, and they are not intelligible. For instance, certain needs which were described as basic needs of the people have been referred to in this draft as amenities. I give only one instance. Supply of drinking water for the villages was referred to as a basic need in the second plan, and in this plan it has been referred to as an amenity. I find that the draft is not as clear as was the second plan,